So here we are in Grandpa's workshop, and my favorite helper, Predo, is going to show you how to use two different kinds of sanders. One sander is a small sander for small boards. The other sander is a big sander for big boards. So Predo, could you please come and show everyone how you use the small sander to sand the small board? Predo is a very good helper and a very good sander. He makes sure all the corners are done so nobody gets any splinters. Wow. Now Predo, if Grandpa said to you, you have to sand the big board behind you with the little sander, what would you do?
I would use the big sander.
Wow, before we use the big sander, show us what it would look like to sand the big board with the little sander. Oh my goodness, that's going to take you a long time. Even doing the edges would take a long time. But what about if you had to sand the flat spot? Would that take even longer?
That would take even longer.
Oh my goodness. What do you think we should do, Predo? We should use the big sander, shouldn't we? Okay, well, let's get set up to use the big sander. I'll move the camera over here while we get organized. Okay, Predo. I'll get the electrical part ready, and you have to put on your earplugs. Oh boy. Now, let's see if it works. See how that vibrates? See the triggers right here? So you come and set it on the board. Hang on to it right here with this hand. Yeah, and this hand up here on that handle there. And pull the trigger. Keep on. Stand up. And that Okay, hold on for a second. Look at the camera. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you sand a big board with a big sander. Okay, we're going to sign off now and finish our sanding. Talk to you soon.